Chickpeas have a wide range of potential health benefits. Chickpeas are high in fiber. A good source of fiber, chickpeas' high fiber content aid in preventing constipation and promoting regularity. Chickpeas are high in protein. They are a good source of protein. 1 cup can give you as much as 78% of your recommended daily intake. Chickpeas contain selenium. Although the mineral is not present in most fruits and vegetables, selenium is a nutrient the body needs. It's important for reproduction, thyroid gland function, DNA production, and protection against damage caused by free radicals and infection. Chickpeas are high in iron. A half a cup can provide approximately 1/3 of your daily iron requirements. Chickpeas are simple to prepare and easy to incorporate in your daily diet. You can use as a topping on salads, season and roast in the oven for a healthy, crunchy snack. Use them to make a dairy-free 2-ingredient whipped cream. Make a delicious, nutrient-packed hummus. Click the video link in the description box below for a step-by-step recipe video. Bonus fact: chickpeas are also known as garbanzo beans. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell.